Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok account is currently suspended. If you're using TikTok and you're having this type issue that your account is currently or temporarily suspended, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, there's two different ways. The first way is that you have to tap on this appeal option and you can easily appeal for this suspension reasons, or if you don't want to do this, you just have to open your browser, and here you have to simply go for search, and you have to search for TikTok Sport. So you have to search for TikTok Sport here, and once you have that, you have to open the first website from here, and here you have to go for appeal and appeal for your specific reasons. And once you have this type interface, just report a problem. Here you just have to select the topic. So here you have to select account suspension, so you have to look for it, or from here you can easily select account access or security. Once you have selected, you have to select the category, and from here you have to select recover account, and here you have to enter your username and then enter your date of birth or sign up date here, and here you have to enter your country, then enter your linked email or phone number, and here you have to select device used to log in. So you must have to put the informations about here, and once you have entered, you have to enter some additional details. So let's see how can you enter additional details. You just have to open a new tab, and here you have to simply search for chat GPT, and from here you have to create a formal letter. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to ask GPT here. You have to write the same text here, and once you have write it, you have to enter the specific reason in this section. Once you have entered, simply tap on this send option, and the chat GPT will provide you a letter. You must have to select the copy option, and once you have copied, simply go for the previous bar or tab, and here you have to paste your copied text, and once you have pasted, you must have to tap on this submit option. So in this way you can easily report a problem to your TikTok, and once you have reported a problem, so after that TikTok will send you an confirmation message through your WhatsApp number or your Gmail. So once you get that, your account will be recovered soon. So in this way, you can easily recover your suspended TikTok account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.